Hello, today I'm feeling a little under the weather, but let's start this. Here I'm just gluing the candlestick to the flower vase. This is a candlestick, the metal type, and I'm just gonna cut that bottom base off of it. And I'm gonna have to do it with my hands, but swirling it back and forth, I managed to take it out. Once that base part where you will put the candle on is removed, I am going to bring that piece into the next room and paint it. Here I'm taking some plaster of Paris and I am putting some in a bowl. I'm experimenting. I'm going to mix some food coloring in the water that I'm going to use to mix the plaster of Paris. And I'm also going to add some glitter. I'm using a piece of newspaper to make a funnel type shape to pour the glitter inside the water. Shake it well. Now let's mix this with our plaster of Paris till it looks like pancake mixture. Once the plaster is mixed well, now I'm adding a couple of drops of food coloring, and I'm not going to mix it all in. I just want it to look like it's marbled. This right here, those little clear marbles that I threw in the base, you don't have to do that. I just did that and it made no sense because after the plaster goes in there, it covers it up and you don't even see the marbles. But I had to make 2 batches of the plaster mixture to fill up the whole base, and then I will show you our next step. This is what you should have once you insert the solar light stake in there. And just to warn you, the plaster does get hot as it is drying. And guys, I forgot to insert these stakes in the plaster of Paris, so I won't be using them at all because now the plaster is dry and I can't insert them in there. Using a soldering tool or a hot knife, I'm going to remove that bottom part from the solar light that should have been inserted into the metal stake. Now using a different tip, I am going to go into that same spot where I just finished removing that piece from, and I'm going to make a hole. I want to make sure that the hole that I make is going to be large enough so that I could insert this on that swirly part of that candlestick that I took apart. This right here. And now on that part I am adding some Gorilla regular strong adhesive and some hot glue to hold the solar light in place. Then here I'm adding these crystals. But remember, since I forgot to add those longer garden stakes that I had painted and I had already made the swirls at the end, if I would have added it to this part, it would have looked nicer. But because I forgot and the plaster of Paris dried on me, I couldn't insert them in there. So, and I do apologize, guys. I haven't been feeling well, and my mind is just like I can't concentrate. But I hope that you guys do like this video. Just remember, when you put the plaster of Paris and you put that solar stake in there, that's when you have to also add the other swirly stakes, the garden stakes. That's when you have to add them so that everything dries in place. So guys, this is it. I hope all of you guys like, comment, share, and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more DIYs. And this is the end result. I'm kind of upset that I forgot to add the other ones because they would have been like over the solar light, and then I would have added more crystals and it would have really looked nice. But this is the end result. Hope to see ya soon. Stay blessed. Have a good night.